Welcome to Johnson & Johnson Thailand Limited. We would like to bring all of you to our Environmental, Health, Safety and Sustainability or EHS&S and Good Manufacturing Practice or GMP instruction video. For us, nothing is more important than the safety of our people to ensure that at the end of every day, everyone returns home to the ones we love safe and healthy. We are committed to a healthy, safe, and environmentally friendly workplace for all our associates, working safely in a way that will maintain our health and with respect for the environment, our conditions of employment. Our credo is the foundation that drives us and is our focus. In the second paragraph, it states that we must ensure a safe and orderly work environment. Start with the leadership commitment and Johnson & Johnson EHS policy. Compliance is essential. Employee safety is a core value. We must ensure working conditions are safe. Healthy employees are more engaged, satisfied, and productive. Reduce impacts to ensure a healthy planet. Engagement contributes to sustainable growth. EHS is integrated into our overall business strategy. We provide our employee with the education, training, and continuous improvement. You can see the EHS policy at the guardhouse and EHS notice board. For the EHS and GMP instruction practices, please follow Johnson & Johnson Site Premise Access Controlling. Park the vehicles in the designated area. Exchange your identification card with security guard. Register in the security book. Always display visitor or employee card. Smoking is prohibited on Johnson & Johnson premise. Please smoke in the permitted area only. Employee safety is our core value. We would like to introduce you to the basic safety culture in Johnson & Johnson Thailand as follows. Follow the safety walkway. Do not use mobile phone while walking and use in the safe area only. Hold the handrail while using the staircase. Keep right. Don't carry anything higher than the eye level. Turn the light or any electronic devices off once not in use. Follow the waste management and segregate by waste type. More important, we would like to bring you to our life-saving rules. The goal is to make employees and contractors aware of tasks that have the highest safety risks. The life-saving rules consist of 8 rules, 3 do's and 5 don'ts. Always work with a valid work permit when required. Always lock and tag out hazardous energies before work begins. Always protect yourself against a fall when working at height above 1.2 meter. For our 5 don'ts, never work in confined space without authorization or gas test conducted. Never bypass a machine guard without a permit. Never work on live electrical equipment without a permit. Never walk under a suspended load. Never use powered industrial vehicles unless authorized and only in an authorized way. These 8 rules are designed for your safety. Please do your best to follow them. Manufacturing area premise access controlling. To enter manufacturing area, you must be authorized by person in charge and must be escorted by a Johnson & Johnson personnel at all times. Taking photos or videos is prohibited and needs to be approved by an area manager. Following our GMP and safety controlling. Cover hat, gown, safety shoes, and other PPE equipment must be worn in the area with a PPE sign or PPE metrics, which will be provided for you in each area. How to wear the earplugs. Squeeze earplug into smaller size. Use one of your hands to hold your ear. Put in the earplug, which will be expanded to your ear size. The GMP rules when entering into manufacturing areas. Those who are infected or infectious are not allowed into the production area. Food and drink are not allowed to bring in. Remove all accessory, for instance, watches, rings, and earrings. Do not put false eyelashes and false fingernails, including nails paint. Do not handle arbitrary goods. The GMP process in changing room and dress code. Remove all accessory, for instance, watches, rings, and earrings. Use the hygiene shoes. Spray alcohol on your hands. Wear hairnet to cover your ears. And wear the provided uniform or gowning. Wash your hand by follow hygiene practice and wipe dry your hand. Spray alcohol on both hands. To visit a restricted area, you must get approved by the area manager. Also, use the PPE according to PPE metrics required, specific for the area under process safety management scope, such as the tank farm, Listerine mixing and storage area. Only people who have been trained by safety and engineering will be permitted to access. To enter electrical room, you must be qualified and go through safety training regarding electrical safety. Please be aware where the fire exits are located. There might be risks from machine or crane loading, so mobile phone is not allowed to be used in manufacturing area. You can use in the designated area only. Warehouse access controlling. You must be authorized before entering warehouse area. Wear safety shoes and reflective vest. Follow the safety walkways. Moreover, for the power industrial vehicle operations, there are 5 rules as follows. No mobile phone or other distracting devices used by driver or pedestrian where vehicles operate. All vehicle drivers have daily pre-use inspection record on vehicle. No pedestrian within 3 vehicle lengths of working vehicles, unless signal for recognition. Pedestrians keep to walkways and marked crossings. Vehicle drivers keep body inside vehicle at all times. In case of fire or emergency incident happen. In case of emergency, please report to Johnson & Johnson personnel or call 2811 immediately. If you are in the incident area, please evaluate the situation. If you are the person who have been trained to respond in case of fire, put out the fire by using the fire extinguisher. If the situation is uncontrollable, please press the fire alarm button. In case you hear the fire alarm, please stop your work immediately. Evacuate by the fire exit route. Walk fast, but do not run to the assembly point next to the security guard area. Please remember, it is our responsibility to report good saves or near misses incident to Johnson & Johnson personnel. Your report will help us to take a proper action to prevent an incident and its importance as part of our safety culture. When you see something, you say something and do something for any good safe or unsafe condition and behavior. We would like to invite you to be a part of our EHS program and safety culture. Your safety, my responsibility. This simple phrase is to represent the commitment to safety of all people. Your commitment and contribution to safety is the vital action to help each one of us return home each of every day safe and healthy.
Safety starts with me.
Thank you for your attention. Be safe and stay healthy.